It is nice, but look at these.
That certainly wasn't like my dream job by any means. Is that recording voice too?
Yeah. It's all right.
Well, maybe you could catch our explorers coming up the ridge here.
Here's our mighty explorers. Do you like this? You don't have to.
You like this, don't you? Oh, you know what, Scott? Oh.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Are you filming?
Yes.
It's yours.
Oh, is it?
It's not. It has his name in it.
Oh. I don't know.
Yeah, it's in Will's room.
I could.
This is the way that we should go, but careful because it's slippery.
Here, I'll hold it. Yeah, Zach, give me your bottle. Give me your bottle.
Something's not right.
I know, that's
correctly.
Right. Yeah.
You see that guy?
We'll have to carry his ass out of here. A chair or Bernie or something.
No.
But let's just see. I mean, if you can't, you'll find out. We'll find out. Don't worry about the water. Set your foot down and see.
Well, no, yeah, I mean, your ankle.
Before you put weight down on it, make sure it's not going to slip.
Okay.
And come this way.
All right.
Take each step really slow and make sure that we did our good deed for today.
All right, you called the ambulance.
David was
Here comes.
stellar in his...
Scott and I helped the lady with an injured ankle.
Yes.
The rotund lady with her.
Oh, God.
I don't know how these guys are going to get her out of here.
I don't know how they're going to get out of here either.
Fell flat in the water.
But they...
It's okay.
The emergency. You want to tell what happened?
No.
They're going to go the whole way.
Well, that's what the fire roads are for, aren't they? Isn't that what fire roads are for?
These guys live for this shit.
Yeah, they... Oh, here comes the helicopter.
Helicopter, get it.
Oh, there it is.
Someone's the helicopter's going to crash, so that's going to injure somebody, that's where you have to put it. For a woman, like, all they do is come in. Scott said they good for this. I said, yeah, they're going to spend taxpayer money. There's a big one to do.
Look at this.
No, we're already spending it. So they're already working today.
Right, exactly.
They're looking for a place to land. There's no place to land. Yeah. And that's they have a truck.
They just want to do it to do it.